Hi, I'm Mayank Arora, founder and CEO of Elite Techno Groups, soon to be rebranded as Capabl. This video is for you if you have attended any of our fabrication workshop from 2014 to 2019 on ATV, Formula 5, go-kart design and development. We have came a long way since then. ETG is now Capabl. What has not changed is our vision to impact the life of engineering students to make them industry ready. You all are passed out, achieving heights in your career. And now we need you to be part of our mission to make India an engineering leader. How you can be part of this mission? It doesn't matter where you are in your life today, in which company, at what position, with what salary. What matters is your journey. And this journey can be inspiration to thousands of budding engineers who also want to be like you. So now click on the link in the description. Share your details with us. Every story is important to us. So, without judging yourself, be part of this initiative to make India an engineering leader. Because your journey and experiences can be life lessons for others. Thank you.